Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download correct export settings for YouTube 4K in Premiere, full guide step by step clearly. Open Adobe Premiere Pro and load your project. Once your project is open, navigate to the timeline where your edited video resides. Select the sequence that you want to export. Click on the File menu located at the top left corner of the screen. From the drop-down menu, hover over Export and then select Media. In the Export Settings window that appears, ensure the format is set to H.264. Next, under the Preset drop-down, choose YouTube 2160p 4K. This preset is optimized for 4K resolution. Check the video dimensions, confirming they are set to 3840 by 2160 pixels. Make sure the frame rate matches your project settings, typically 23.976, 24, 30, or 60 fps. Scroll down to the video section and ensure the bitrate encoding is set to VBR, 2 pass. You can set the maximum bitrate to around 80 megabits per second for optimal quality. Next, move to the Audio tab within the Export settings. Select the audio codec as AAC for compatibility. Set the sample rate to 48 kHz, which is standard for YouTube. Adjust the bitrate to 320 kbps to ensure high audio quality. Now proceed to the Effects tab if you need to include any specific effects for your video. If you want to include captions, navigate to the Captions tab to import them. After finishing the adjustments, click on the output name to select the file destination. Choose a location and rename your file as needed. Finally, click the Export button to start the rendering process. Once the export is complete, your video will be ready for upload to YouTube. After exporting, check the file to ensure everything looks and sounds as expected. Now you can upload your 4K video to YouTube with confidence. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.